Hey, I'm Shana Meyerson with YOGAthletica. Yeah, that's me down there. This is my yoga channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you about something that has nothing to do with yoga, but a lot to do with my channel, because today I'm going to answer a question that people keep asking me. How do you add a collaborator on a video? Now, probably a lot of you are already doing this on other platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. It's just a way to sort of share credit and exposure with another channel. A good thing. By the way, this is a fairly new feature on YouTube. So that's why a lot of people don't know about it. And it's also a good reason to get in on it early. YouTube loves it when you use their features. So let's say this is your channel. This isn't your channel, it's my channel. But in this scenario, it's your channel. So first thing you do is you go to manage videos, or if you just know how to get to your studio, just go to your studio. This is a shortcut. So you go to manage videos. Okay. And hopefully you've been to your back end and you sort of know what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is all my videos, how to edit them, etc. So let's say that, so I have this video I made recently about a shoulder issue that I have. And let's say that I wanted to collaborate with my PT. Okay, my physical therapist. So first thing I do is I go to this pencil icon that says details. That's how I edit. I click. Okay. Pro tip, if you want to add somebody to your channel, I'm just going to do this randomly. You also want to click at and type in their name. So I don't really know these guys, but I'm going to pretend I do for the purposes of this discussion. I want to do Bob and Brad. They're very popular YouTubers for physical therapy. So I click and boom, you see how it's highlighted? So that is one way that you can sort of go back and forth between somebody else's channel and also give them credit. Also, you could do this in the title if you have enough letters left and available. I use too many letters here. Okay, so here's the thing. You scroll down the page, scroll, and oh, you hit the bottom. Now, most people, I think, don't go to this little tiny button at the bottom that says show more, because it seems like, well, here's things that aren't really important. Here are where things are that actually are important. So click show more. Okay, so now it shows more. I keep scrolling down, scroll, and about 4 down, what do I see? Collaboration. This is so easy to miss. Okay, so here's what you do. You go to invite a collaborator. Now, keyword here is invite. They have to accept it for it to get on their channel. So don't feel like you're going to be cheating the system in some way by taking some really popular YouTuber and just suddenly collaborating with them. So let's say I want to invite Bob and Brad. They show up right there at the top. They've got 1 million followers. So I click Bob and Brad. Job is not done. Okay, so now that I want to invite them, I go to create link, and then I copy the link. Copy, so I can send it to them. Now, if you want some sending shortcuts, you go to share, and you could share via like Facebook, X, WhatsApp. You know how to read if you want to save through one of these things, okay? Or you could copy from here if you didn't already copy it. Okay, not done, okay? Then you go to save. This is very, very important. Look here, you see how it says pending acceptance? It's not pending acceptance. There's no pending acceptance until you hit save. Okay, now, is it pending acceptance? Well, not exactly. Boom. I also have to save it on the video itself. Save. Okay, great. So now let's say I want to send this to my friends over at Bob and Brad. I could just go to my email, and this is my mini yogis page. bobandbrad@gmail.com. I'm just making up that address, by the way. Collaboration link. And what do? I cut and paste a voila. Okay. I usually send a letter saying, hey, here's the collab link for the video we did together. I hope you will accept. It's a great great way to increase exposure for the can't type video and both of our channels. Thanks. Okay. So once I send this, all they have to do is click this link. I'm not going to be able to show you this because it will only apply to them. Literally only them. If I click this, you can see what's going to happen. It's going to say the link doesn't exist or whatever. I don't have permission. I don't have permission because it's their link. Okay. So all they have to do though is click accept. And here's what it will look like. Oh, I love White Lotus, by the way. Okay, so here's what it will look like. Here's my channel. And if I scroll down to the bottom, here are some collaborations that I've done. Now, not everyone I've collaborated with do I have a collaboration tag because this is a pretty new feature. But let's say I did this collaboration.
I'm so pleased to have in the studio with us.
Let's turn off that sound. And you see that I did this with JNS TV. This is actually their video, meaning it's on their website, but there's my name too. So you see that even though this is their video, it shows me as a collaborator. What's the benefit? So it's a little bit different than tagging in the description, which they didn't do. And instead, what it is, which is pretty cool, you think you're looking at my channel. You're not. You're looking at their channel right now. But if you click on my name on their channel, look what happens. You can subscribe to them, or you can subscribe to me from their channel, right? So if you do a collaboration and you want the person that was in the video with you to collaborate, this is their benefit, is that people can subscribe to them from your channel, okay? And the truth is that you don't have to have collaborations as a tab. I happen to have it if you go under channel customization. And where is it? I haven't done this in a while, where you link or you create your homepage. Here we go. So I have the different sections, and I chose to add a collaborations tab. Okay. The truth is that you can have, if let's say someone was on your video, but they don't like it enough to put on their channel, that's fine too. They don't have to feature their collaborations. They still benefit from people being able to subscribe to their channel from your channel. So again, this is just a really great way to help increase exposure for you and help increase exposure for your collaborators, right? But collaboration is a big thing on other platforms. YouTube is really just now getting into the game. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you on the yoga mat soon. Have a great day. Namaste.